Hi guys, I'm Cassandra Waterfall, and like, I'm a model, but I'm too pretty to be in magazines or on the internet because, y'all, look at me, I'm amazing. Yeah, so I'm a cheetah. Yeah, shh, don't tell anybody though. Shh. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I walk, like totally. I'm okay. What? Oopsie, sorry. Here I go. Look at this long, beautiful hair. It's so amazing, right? Whoa, did you guys know what my favorite color is? Guess, it's red. Yeah, but this looks like orange. Don't you guys think? It looks like it's orange. So, well, excuse me, I'm so sorry. That's so rude of me. Bad, Cassandra. I'm gonna look, guys, I'm gonna go look at this birdie. Here we go. It's so cool. It's a pretty birdie. Whoa, excuse me. I don't know, I don't have any manners, because, like, I'm stupid, but I don't act like it. Yeah. Look, I want to pet the birdie. Ah! Spider! Ah! Ooh, who's the cutest spider? Yes, you are. Ah, you're moving. Ah, you're supposed to be dead. You don't have my time. There's a mosquito on you. It's gone. It's gone, I think. I'm dying. It's too early, Mom. I don't want to go to school. Okay, I'm all ready. Let's go to school.
You don't have school today.
What? Yes, I do.
No.
I don't? Snow day!
No, there's no snow out today.
What? Then why don't I have school?
'Cause it's summer!
Summer! I'm gonna roll down the hill. Hi guys. So I'm in my pajamas, like totally. And I'm in my robe. See, it's polka dotted. It's so fuzzy. I got it for Christmas. Wait, or was it my birthday? Excuse me. Sorry guys. And yeah, I just painted my nails. And behind this curtain, guys, shh, don't tell anybody, is my mansion. Yes, I have a mansion. But shh, you can't tell anybody because I don't want anybody to know that I'm rich. Yeah. And I'm cold, so I'm covering up with my orange blanket. Or is it red? I don't know. Yes. And this is my money. I'm poor. I'm poor. It's a travesty. I'm poor, guys. I only have 3/4. Wait, does that mean 3/4 million? What? I don't understand. Yes. Whoa! Layla! That's my cheetah. Shh, I'll tell you guys about her later. Another episode. So, yes. Where's my fan? I need it blowing on me. Excuse me, guys. I need the fan blowing on me. Chop, chop! Can't you see? My hair's blowing. It's blowing. I'm such a pretty girl. What is that noise? Is that a monster? Oh no! Under attack! Don't kill me! Take is that? Guys, my neck is broke. Oh no! Oh well, it was just a cheap $1 million necklace. Oh well, let's get a new one. Just fly but fly. Sorry. Ooh, I'm a cheerleader. Go pom pom. Go pom pom. Here we go. I'm gonna be a cheerleader. Go team! What? Pom pom, no. Like, Joss. Well, guys, I'm gonna go to bed. Bye. They see me rolling. I hate it. They see me rolling. I hate it. They see me rolling. I hate
It's time to go to sleep, Cassandra.
Okay. Thanks, Mom. Bye, guys. See you next time.